It's Pete. So Pete, you've been a customer for about how long?
2 years now.
Okay. And he has the Maxima and he has a Viva chair. He likes the Maxima, the 3-wheel. It gives him some leg room. He gets in places, but we wanted to show him the PX4 because he wants to get more out in his yard. Now everyone if it has a Maxima, they're low ground clearance. Now we have a 500-pound weight capacity by Pride with a little bit more beef to it. Size-wise, ground clearance. What so far on this? How does it feel? Now you can get a different seat. You can get a little bit bigger seat.
The seat's fine. Everything's fine on it. Very comfortable, as a matter of fact. And it's got a lot of power, and it's what I'd be looking for to get in my backyard. Because the other tires are just a little bit too small. These look like they come up hills nice and be able to drive through the backyard without any problems.
Right.
I really like them. I like all the way it's set up. And I know everything works well because it works well on my other one.
So they did a good job. That's a digital display.
Yeah,
they silicone the top just in case you get couch in the water. You have your battery, your speed, miles, the temperature, the time. Which the time's wrong because you ain't up at 5:01 a.m. I am.
Not me.
You're not. And there's a lot of room for your hands, especially if you're out and you want to rest. Because you rest like up like that?
Yeah.
And that tiller can come back towards you.
Yeah, I got it. I pull it all the way up, but I know it'll come back.
So there's a release.
Yeah, you could drive just like this and be comfortable.
So everyone wants to see me on these units, but I wanted to get some customers on it.
Yeah.
Different colors.
It's a great unit. It's got everything. It has everything that I would need in a unit, I think.
Yeah, I think.
You know, the only thing that I'm a little skeptical of, and maybe it's just me, I'm used to that one wheel. I thought the turning cycle was a little long, but that's because I'm used to a 3-wheeler turning on a dime, and
Right.
But other than that, I mean, I've turned this a couple times out here, and it's fine. I just have to get used to making high-speed turns.
So when he first came in here, he was on like a Victory 10 and 3-wheel, flipped it over, and he didn't want a 3-wheel to save his life. I said, listen to me. This Maxima 3-wheel is fine. It's very robust, low ground clearance. You can't really tip it over. He hasn't tipped it over yet.
Never tipped it over.
And he's a little bit too big for a Victory 10.
Yeah.
Especially with the small seat it comes on. You can get a bigger seat, probably be okay, maybe not a 3-wheel, but it gives you the leg room. But this is the 500-pounder, get them more outside, higher ground clearance. Now, while you're here, can I get you?
Sure.
Can you get over here? It does have a swivel seat.
I'm going to move over there. There's a swivel underneath.
You need a walker?
Nah.
You don't need a walker.
Okay.
You got me. Oh, God.
One lift.
So this I wouldn't really put him on this unit unless he really had to take something apart. This has a 400-pound weight capacity. How tall are you?
6'2".
6'2", 400-pound weight capacity. This is with the standard seat, slider seat.
Wow.
Now you can get a 20 by 18.
Is this the one that folds up?
You could disassemble it, yes.
Yeah, okay.
So spring shocks in the front, spring shocks in the seat. Go ahead and ride it, see how it feels. Just be careful in the turns.
Yeah, I don't want to go 3,000 miles an hour like usual.
I'm gonna walk with you.
Yeah, like I said, it's good. I'm just a big guy.
And we're just gonna turn it around.
Yeah, I'm just going slow on purpose.
That's fine, do it slow.
Probably be better off the gravel too.
The purpose of this video is that can this scooter hold him, handle him? Yes. Is it better than the PX4 for him? No. But it is a smaller unit. If he happened to not have a lift on his car and he wanted to take this to stores and maybe to baseball games, football games, parks like that. That's good right there.
And I do.
So just with this little bit of riding, and this is on a steel slag, how did it feel?
Comfortable.
The seats feels okay?
Yeah, the seat's okay. It's comfortable to ride.
Okay.
If I ever got small enough to use a small scooter, I'd probably look for something like this.
Yeah. So he's about 6'2", 385, something like that. All right, now I'm gonna get you on the Eagle.
Yeah.
Price points, you could get this with 2 different batteries, upgraded batteries. So about 3,100 right now to about 3,900. That PX4 is about 45 grand. Sorry, 49.99. Let me know. I'll get you a discount. I'll beat anyone's price on the PX4 and that one, guaranteed.
This one I like.
Here's the Eagle. The Eagle's made by Golden, a different manufacturer.
Right.
It's very, very affordable for what it offers. It's a 500-pound weight capacity. We've sold a lot of these. We haven't had any issues with them yet. So, but how's the seat feel in this one?
Does it go back in the way?
You want to see if it goes back some? Oh, the slider's the other side. Where is it? Oh, that's on this side. I'm sorry.
Okay.
Unless your swivel. That's back all the way.
Okay.
So the leg room's not really there for you?
No. But I have, you know, I have a lot of.
Yeah, it's back all the way. Okay. So how big's your foot? That's a big foot. Show that foot.
14.
14. So 6'2", big feet. Not as comfortable in this leg room as the PX4.
Right.
Just throwing it out there to you. There's just not enough room right here for him.
Yeah, that's the only thing.
Very strong scooter, very nice scooter.
Yeah,
Priced less than that one. Bluetooth speaker. It's got a little bottle holder down there.
Right, I saw that.
Comes with a cell phone holder, mirrors, and this cargo at the moment.
Yeah, I'll tell you what, if I had a choice, I'd go with the bigger one, but that's because I'm a big guy. But this one is fine. This one's got everything you need in it.
Yeah, it is.
And that one, if you're looking to move something around or just get around the stores and carry it to a store and open it up and drive it, that's fantastic. For people that, you know, need one for that. I bought one because I knew that I couldn't walk, and that Magnum I got is great. I mean, I love that thing. And I haven't turned it, and I didn't even come close to turning it.
So he's talking about the 3-wheel Maxima.
Yeah.
And I had to have
Maxima.
Took me forever to get him over to the 3-wheel Maxima.
Yeah, because once I fell on that other 3-wheeler, I said, you don't want a 3-wheeler.
But the benefit to that 3-wheel for him and Maxima is going into stores, turning. It's a nice.
Yeah, the maneuverability is great. I could turn on a dime in that thing. I mean, that's, you know, I turn on a dime in stores, and people say, how do you turn that thing? That's easy. Get practice.
Right. Yeah. And then the other thing is, like, for example, if you have a Maxima or a 3-wheel scooter for stores, going places, but you need something for your yard, check out some of these larger 4-wheel scooters. The PX4, the Eagle, the Bandit, the Pursuit 2. Those are all excellent scooters for outside. And, you know, like and subscribe. Check us out next time.